In this short guide video, let's talk about how to set up the Instagram two-factor authentication. If you're trying to enable extra security on your Instagram so that whenever other people try to access your account, you have an added security through a code that you need to enter in. You can do that easily either through the Authenticator app or using the SMS feature. So head over to your profile section, tap on the three lines on the top right, and then head over to Account Center. Inside of Account Center, make sure you head over to Password and Security, and this is the section you'll find the option of two-factor authentication. Just tap on this option, select the account that you're trying to enable it, and then there are two options, as I said, the SMS or WhatsApp option, where you get the code through your SMS or WhatsApp, or you can also choose the Authentication app. The recommended way is, of course, the Authentication app because it is more secure. You need to use a application such as Google Authenticator. So just select this option and then tap on Next. Now either you can view this barcode or QR code where you can scan from your Authentication app, or you can just copy in this code as well. Once the code has been copied, you can head over to the Authentication app and then tap on the plus icon on the bottom and then tap on Enter a setup key. Just paste in the key that you just copied and then tap on Add. Once the key now has been added, you can head back and then tap on Next. The last step here that you need to do is enter in the code by heading over to the Authenticator app, and your two-factor FA will be enabled. And there you go, the two-factor authentication now has been enabled. Every time you try to log into your account on a different account, you'll need to enter in the code that is visible on the Authenticator app. I do hope this guide video did help you out. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also make sure to subscribe for more future videos just like this.